Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best pre-context menu editor to add and remove any commands and tweaks for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we right mouse click, we'll use to see this context menu, right? So by default we don't have any such option to edit this context menu. So for this, just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application name as Easy Context Menu. And on the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. You will see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. This is open the extracted folder. Now you will see here two EC menu files. One is 64-bit, and if you see a EC menu only, that is for the 32-bit. So right now I'm using a Windows 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna use this 64-bit version. So just double click on it. Now you can see here various options already included inside this software. So here tons of options, that is a commands or tweaks that you can add or remove from here. So say I want to add this permanently delete option on my context menu. Just select it, and now on the above you can see here apply changes button. Just click on it. Now let us check if this respective command or option is being added on our context menu or not. Now let me just right mouse click on this respective file and let me click on this some more options. So now you can see here the permanently delete option is being added on our context menu. It's working perfectly. So if you want to remove it again, just uncheck it and just click on this apply changes again, and the respective options that you have added will be get removed. So this is the pre-included options, and if you want to remove some options from the context menu, then you can just click on this context menu cleaner. Then it will show you all the already present commands or tweaks or options that are present on your respective context menu. So you can select the respective options, and on the left side you can see here either you want to disable it only or you can delete it completely. And if you want to list all the editor, then you can just click on this list editor. Then it will show you all the list editors which you can edit or make some changes by selecting it, and you can rename those options also depending upon your needs, or you can replace those options with the different options by clicking on this button. And even you can change the icons also from here, and once you're done you can click on this save changes here. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this Easy Context Menu software. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free context menu editor to add and remove any commands and tweaks for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.